Welcome to this quick overview of Essential Emails 2.0. As you can see, I'm inside the members area now of this very detailed email marketing course, the only course you'll ever need to teach you all the fundamentals of email marketing. When you come into the members area and subscribe to our YouTube channel after watching the short welcome from me, you can then see an overview of the product, and then we'll go into the main training section. So as you can see, absolutely everything that you need to learn about email marketing is in here, from inbox delivery through to subject lines and spam words, the science of email marketing, optimum mailing tactics, all sorts of different approaches that you can use that will be very effective for you at getting conversions, using promo codes, everything really that you could possibly think of, and a load of resources thrown in as well. And we throw in email swipes as well for, again, anything that you can think of really, a series for new list subscribers, a series for buyers, a series for an unresponsive list, and also use of how to use these swipes. So it really is the most comprehensive email marketing course that we think anyone's put together. So that completes this very short demo. We look forward to seeing you inside the members area very shortly. It's the #1 most important task that you do every day, but so many marketers get it wrong. I'm talking about email marketing. Hi, I'm Dawood Islam, and I'm a former journalist, author and copywriter. About a year and a half ago, I bought out an email marketing course because I was fed up of people sending me emails that never made it into my inbox, or used subject lines that took them into the spam folder, or sent me the exact same emails that I'd already received from 5 other people. Well, guess what? Nearly 2 years later, it's still happening. So I'm back to end this email marketing failure once and for all with my brand new Essential Emails. In this course, you will get all the tools and training you need to find the inbox every time. No more ending up in the promotions tab or in the spam folder. You will also learn how to write subject lines that cause people to actually open your emails. And you'll learn how to write email copy that actually converts, makes you sales, and earns you money. I'm throwing in 3 sets of done-for-you email swipes for you as well. The first for brand new subscribers, the second for proven buyers, and the third for an unresponsive list. And as a very special bonus, I'm even including a full set of 365 email swipes, one for every day of the year, that I used to sell as an expensive upsell, but you're getting it on the front end at no extra cost. Email marketing is the single most important thing that we do as marketers. Every single time I send out an email, I earn money. That's the way it should be. But for far too many marketers, I know that it isn't. But the good news is that all the mistakes you're making are easily correctable. Step 1. Pick up a copy of Essential Emails before the price goes up. Step 2. Work your way through the extensive over-the-shoulder video training. And step 3. Watch as your emails hit the target and deliver you sales every time. But act fast. The price of this course will go up at the end of the launch period. If you don't pick up a copy today, you will pay more in the future. So what happens now? Well, you could carry on as before, trying to figure things out for yourself, making the same mistakes and seeing the same results. Or you could transform your email marketing results completely with Essential Emails. The choice is up to you. Either way, I'll still be making money every time I send an email out, but I'd like you to have some too. So I hope that you'll join me inside the members area. See you there.